Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Obsy. Thank you guys for tuning in once again. Today's video is about layering combos. I have been experimenting with my fragrances and I have discovered some new gems, if I do say so myself, and I really have been eager to share with you guys. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So first of all, I'm not going to be dwelling so much on each fragrance as I would when I'm doing a review, just because I don't want to take so much of your time. I have different combinations here and I feel like talking about the notes in each fragrance would definitely make this video a little bit too long. So the first combination I'm going to be showing you guys here is Honor and Glory and Narcotic Delight. You guys, I discovered this combination, when was it? Just a random day when I was just, playing around with Honor and Glory. If you guys do not know, I'm currently obsessed with this fragrance. I have been using this fragrance to layer a lot of my fragrances. If I don't know what to wear, I would always reach out for this one. If I'm thinking of what to wear, I'll always reach out for this one. This has been my go-to fragrance. This one and Camera and Leisure in Paradise. Those three had me on chokehold for the longest of time, and I cannot lie to you. This is such a stunning, beautiful scent. This is a pineapple creme brulee fragrance. It is sweet, it is alluring, it is sexy, it is yummy. It's literally everything in one. I absolutely love this fragrance. I said I'm not going to dwell so much on each fragrance, but allow me to just sing the praises of this one. I think Lattafa did a very, very good job when it comes to Honor and Glory. And the second one is Narcotic Delight. I said I stumbled on this not too long ago actually. There's somebody that actually said that they couldn't get the pineapple from this fragrance, and I'm so surprised because that's literally the first thing I got when I sprayed this fragrance. When you spray this fragrance, you literally can tell that there's pineapple in here. Obviously there are other sumptuous, delicious notes in there. I think there's whipped cream as well. Can definitely tell that there's pineapple in here, and because of that I felt like mixing that with the cherry notes in here would definitely do these two justice. I felt like they would definitely complement each other. Pineapple and cherry is a very nice, sweet, refreshing fruit for this summer season, and they are both very long lasting, so I knew very well that they will complement themselves. If you have both, I want to ask you guys to try it, layer both of them, and let me know what you think, because I'm so obsessed with this combination. I think it's so stunning, very long lasting, very sexy, even perfect for this summertime because it's just like a very nice, creamy, fruity, sweet, yummy vibe. Also a little bit boozy because of the the booze in the Narcotic Delight, but I think that they complement each other very well. The next combination that I have here is Liquide Gold from Liquide Imaginaires and Voyage à Paris from Fragrance du Bois. This is my recent purchase. I think this was my birthday scent actually. I am in love with this fragrance. It's spicy, it's warm, it's sensual, it's sweet. It's literally an obsession at this point. I love this fragrance so much. You definitely get the spiciness in there. I think there's saffron in here as well, which also gives it a bit of leathery vibe, but there's no leather. But I think it's from the saffron. Oh my god, this is such a sexy scent. And then because of the spiciness that I also get from this one, I thought it would layer very well with Voyage à Paris. I was not wrong at all, because I feel like they complement each other very well. I believe that there's cinnamon in this one if I'm not mistaken. I think there's rum, a bit of sweetness as well in here, but I also get spiciness as well. I felt that they will complement each other very well. I think you should go with the Liquide Imaginaire first because I feel like this is more long lasting. This has more depth in my opinion, and this is more intense than this one. Now this is also very good, long lasting, minimal projection. Together this would actually last longer, and you can definitely tell that this has an effect on this one. They are very multifaceted. It changes on your skin, it warms up on your skin, and it gives that very nice, sweet and sexy and spicy vibe. I absolutely love this combination, and I think you would too. All right, so quickly let's move on to the second or the third combination. I have spoken about this combination in one of my videos. So this is Autumn Vibes and this is Ooh La La. So Autumn Vibes has like a lot of fresh, airy vibe. So does Ooh La La from Tio Cabanel. The reason I paired these two together is because they both have carrot seeds, and I feel like the carrot seeds will be more pronounced in both of them. Now Ooh La La on the other hand, it is actually more intense, it's more long lasting. A lot of people compare this to burnt rubber, and I get it, but in a very good way in my opinion. This is so stunning. This also has a fresh and aromatic vibe, but you can definitely tell that there's some depth in there. The carrot seeds are there. I think there's tobacco in here as well. There's definitely something a little bit, tad bit smoky in this one, a little bit sweet but not so sweet. Definitely fresh, paired with the Autumn Vibes. Like I said, Autumn Vibes just has this very fresh, rainy season kind of vibe. It has that like very calm, airy, not so sweet, well-rounded, balanced fragrance, and I think that they pair very well together. Ever since I stumbled on this combination, I've been rocking it, especially when I'm going to work. I'll easily reach out for this. I think it's also a very good and nice workwear scent. Ooh La La from Tio Cabanel and Autumn Vibes from Maison Margiela, they definitely work hand in hand in my opinion. Tell me what you guys are wearing in the comment section. What is your scent of the day currently, or what fragrances are you feeling at the moment? And also, if you have your favorite layering combination, leave it in the comment section. Let's get right back into the video. My next combination here is Bianco Latte from Giardini di Toscana and Memoirs of a Trespasser from Imaginary Authors. We all know that Bianco Latte is a very nice caramel vanilla fragrance. This is so long lasting. It definitely has like a little bit of that cafe vibe, but not so much. Very spicy as well. Like I said, most of the fragrances from this brand makes me sneeze. There's something a little bit screechy in the opening notes. I don't know if it's just me, I always say a bit spicy. It might be the coumarin in this particular fragrance, but nonetheless the dry down is so beautiful. That's why I actually got it, because I really like how long lasting it is, and I like the fact that the vanilla actually comes out more in the dry down. Like you can definitely tell that there's vanilla in here. It is so stunning. A beast mode scent. This is going to get you tons and tons of compliments. Believe the hype. This is one of the most talked about fragrance, and this is also a very nice vanilla scent, but is more on the smoky side. So it has Madagascar vanilla, it has Gaiac wood, it has myrrh, bergamot, benzoin, ambrette seeds, and oak barrel. So this gives me a very smoky vanilla vibe, and when I mixed or paired two of them together, I feel like it intensified the latte in Bianco Latte. So you're getting more of a coffeed vanilla. Now there's no coffee in this fragrance, but I'm getting more of like a bitter vanilla, if that, I don't know how else to explain it. So you definitely have to go in with your Bianco Latte first, and then you top it up with the Memoirs of a Trespasser. Oh my god, you guys, I did something with this combination. I think this is one of my favorite combinations in this video. These two together. Now I don't think this is good for summer, because it's giving me that very, you know, hot warm latte with the vanilla syrup in there. Oh my god, like this is so stunning. It's really good on its own. It's a very cozy warm fragrance. I mean, it is stunning, it is gorgeous, very unusual. I don't know if it's the oak barrels that's giving it that bitterness. It's just giving me like a coffee vanilla, and paired with Bianco Latte, they pair so well together, even though the Bianco Latte is very strong. So if you're going to layer both of them together, I'll highly suggest that you go with probably just one spray of this, or if you're going to do 2 sprays of this, then you have to double this to 4 sprays, because Bianco Latte is so strong. Even in the dry down of this combination, you still get the Bianco Latte coming out and seeping through. They just complement each other so well. I highly suggest that you try both, and let me know what you guys think in the comment section. I also don't get a lot of people talking about Memoirs of a Trespasser. I think this is one hell of a stunning fragrance, as you guys can see. So if you have not checked out Memoirs of a Trespasser, please do. The last but not the least combinations that I have here is basically an incense overload. So we have Essence Suave from Matiere, and we have 603 from Bon Perfumeur. 603 has leather, it has incense, and it has tonka bean. On this other hand, I do not know the exact notes that are here, and I'm not even trying to check right now. One thing I do know for a fact is that there is incense in here. I don't know if there's tonka bean in here, I'm not really sure, but I think that there is tonka bean in here as well. They pair so well together. This is a little bit sweeter than this one for sure, and obviously this is more long lasting. I love Essence Suave. This is more masculine. It's very strong. Like there's leather, there's incense. You definitely know that it's not really an easy fragrance to wear every time, but I think that they complement each other. This is like a creamy incense fragrance, if I do say so myself. That's what I get from this one, because the opening note might be a little bit too strong and too bitter, too masculine. I mean, the leather is right there in your face. You can definitely tell that there's leather in here, but in the dry down you definitely get the tonka bean. So I easily get a creamy incense vibe from this one. I should definitely go in with this one first, and then you top it off with the 603 from Bon Perfumeur. Oh my god, I think this combination, if you're a guy and you have these two, please try it. I think this is leaning more masculine. I think this would smell amazing on a guy. It's not so strong. Yes, there's leather, yes, there's incense, but it's not in your face. It is not overbearing, it's not overpowering. I can picture a sexy man standing right in front of me smelling like this, face, oh my god, you're not doing too much. Yes, your fragrance is very present, it's not choking, it's not making other people uncomfortable. I would say it has moderate projection, insane sillage, to be honest. I love the scent bubble that this gives me, especially the Essence Suave. Like, anytime I wear it, most times I don't even smell it on myself, but whenever I have like friends that wear this fragrance, I can always tell. The sillage of this fragrance is crazy, the central is crazy. Like, without even doing too much, you definitely can smell this fragrance, and that is how 603 works as well. So it is not a beast mode scent, it doesn't project into your face. I love these two together, and I think if you're a guy, I mean, it's a unisex combination, but I feel like this will perform more on a guy. It's like a rush of testosterone, that's what I get. And also there's a little bit of sweetness from Essence Suave, and I feel like that sweetness will complement the bitterness from this one. Not really bitterness, the leather note actually just gives it this extra masculine vibe, and I feel like the sweetness in Essence Suave complements this. I feel like these two are stunning together, and you should definitely try it out and let me know what you guys think. All right, so my last and final combination for this video was going to be the Bois Imperial and Baccarat Rouge. The very first time I tried this combination, I think that was the first time I actually got Bois Imperial, just because of the vibe. Like I said, this has basil, it has a very fresh aromatic vibe, it has some earthiness as well. Well, not necessarily earthiness, but there's something green salty about it. It's also metallic as well. I believe there's basil in here. I don't know if there's tonka bean in here. I think there is. But there's something about this fragrance that just reminded me of Baccarat Rouge. Not that they smell similar, not that they smell alike. They smell nothing the same. I just feel like there's something about these two that complements themselves. Let me try. So I'll go in with Bois Imperial first, and then I'm going to top it off with Baccarat Rouge. Oh my god. They smell nothing alike, but you can totally layer both of them. I feel like they are both in the same family. I don't know if it's the ingredients that they use to make it or how it is made. It's quite similar, I'm not really sure, but there's just something about the DNA of these two that really works well together. This is aromatic, metallic. This is a little bit sweet, sultry, sexy, amber, vanilla. It's so sexy, and again with the MFK DNA does it for me every single time, and every time I layer these two together, tons of compliments. I'm torn, should I call this a beast mode scent, because it is really strong. Bois Imperial is very strong. Like, you can spray Bois Imperial and it will last 24 freaking hours. I mean 24 hours on your skin. That's how strong this fragrance is. It definitely has a huge sillage. It has a huge projection. It definitely has a huge sillage as well. So I really love this one. Baccarat Rouge, on the other hand, is nice. It's sexy. It's not a beast mode scent. It has moderate projection. It has an insane central. I mean, you guys already know Baccarat Rouge 540. There are times where you go into your elevator and you definitely know that someone has worn this fragrance, or you walk by the street and you can definitely tell that someone is wearing Baccarat Rouge 540. This has a very mad sillage, and that's why I really like it, and I think they definitely work very well together. All right, my loves, that's it for this video. I'm actually choking from my own fragrances. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you're new to my channel, please do not leave without hitting the subscribe button. Make sure you like this video, share it to your friends and your loved ones, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
My girl, something else. You bust my brain way beyond my world. This your beauty is something else, my girl. This my girl.